What's up, chat? We're gonna be showing you how to do fees in BullX. No bullshit. Now, what are fees, you may ask? Fees are the commission you pay to BullX or any trading platform. Basically, more fees means faster transactions. Up here are the recommended fees that BullX provides. These are not the most accurate, but it gives you a good example on what fees are needed for that specific coin. To change fees on BullX, you want to click the little robot button right here, and at the top of the order settings page, we have 5 different presets. This can be used to snipe, scalp, and more. Now onto priority fee. Priority fee is like paying for faster shipping. The more fees, the faster the transaction. Slippage is basically how much price change you'll accept between when you click buy and when your trade actually happens. Med protection helps you hide your trade until it's executed. If you trade without med protection, bots will try to buy before you and steal a bit of your profit, and also giving you a worse entry. And now finally, bribe fee. This is basically the same as priority fee, but it gives extra sold to the network validators to proceed with your transaction before others. Also, BullX added a cool new setting, so you want to head over to settings, then you want to click use stream v2 beta. This will make your buys and sell way faster than the old BullX. Other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hit the sub button, hit the like button. Also use my Nova and BullX link in the description. Thank you, guys.